Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking bear safety. Bear safety is something that is important to all of us. However, today we're going to take a fun look at what bear safety really means and then talk about the realities of if you need to be afraid of bears in the wilderness. Now, as we travel everywhere in our small vans, we are surrounded by a variety of different kinds of things, but bears have always been one that we've always been warned about and been told, bring some bear spray. So let's talk about what we're really supposed to be doing if we do encounter a bear in the wilderness. And today, because I'm gonna do this a little bit different, I'm gonna have a little helper. I'm gonna bring in a good friend and we're going to act some of this out. Okay, Riley, have you ever been a bear before?
Not technically.
How is your bear attire looking today? What do you have on for being a bear?
I have my fuzzy blanket.
Seems like a nice gray bear.
Yes.
Not on the list today, but you know, it'll work.
It should. Do I look like a bear?
You look like a bear. Okay, let's act out our rules.
Yes.
Yes, we've got this. Is this going to be chaotic? Yes. Yes, it is. Rule number 1, identify yourself to the bear. As you identify yourself, it will set you apart as a human from a predatory prey-like animal. Oh no! Stop, bear! I am a human! Bear, I am a human! You will let me go and we will now be friends.
Rawr.
Rawr. Now, in reality, are bears like Yogi and Boo Boo? No, they're not. They're going to be very angry still. And it's probably not going to go exactly like we just said. Rule number 2, stay calm. As hard as it is for us to stay calm if we're in a threatening situation, that could be the difference between us being attacked and being a bear snack or being able to escape safely. Instead of this, I'm so scared, I'm panicked. Try this. No, bear, I am calm. I am a human. Calm people live longer. Rule number 3, if you are hiking with children, pick them up immediately. Do not make quick movements to do so with noises. Oh yeah, this is so fun. It's awesome. This has been such a good hike. Oh no! Bears think kids are prey. That's all there is to it. And so removing the kid from the scenario is really good. However, yelling when doing so is a big no-no. So tell your kids, be quiet and don't make loud noises around bears. I know it's scary, it's hard, but at the same time, the louder you are, the more likely you are to become bear jerky. That's not with all bears though. Sometimes making good noises is good because you want to appear bigger, but when it comes to children specifically, the sound of a child with the whistle tones that they can make sometimes out of fear is really, really a scary thing. Because unlike a big, robust human voice like this, a kid has a shrill little voice that sounds like a tiny little woodland creature. And well, that doesn't usually end well when it comes to bears. Here's rule number 4. And this one is one that we can't always do, but we should try to do more often. Hike and travel with friends. When you are able to hike and travel with friends, you are just more chaotic and noisy by default. Bears tend to stay away from noisy environments because it tells them that there is a potential threat to them. So by having a little bit more noise because you're talking to your friends, this can in fact deter a bear from coming over toward the path that you are actually in. Number 5, make yourself look as large as possible. Oh, the birds are so beautiful. I think I will take some pictures today. This is going to be a lovely day. This is going to be so much fun. Oh no, it's a bear. Stay calm. I am big. I am a human. Whew, that was close. The bear just went away. Do not, under any circumstances, drop your pack. Instead of this, oh, it's such a beautiful day of hiking. Oh no, it's it's a bear! I can run faster if I take off my vest! Try this. Oh, it's such a beautiful day for taking a hike. Oh no, it's a bear! I'm gonna keep my bag on. I need this. I can use this to throw it at you maybe later on. This is a tool. This is a weapon. And the bear just went away. But don't be the one to start the fight. If the bear brings the fight to you, keep your wits about you. Instead of it's a beautiful day. Oh no, it's a bear! I want to run! Try this. It's a beautiful day out here. I am enjoying myself. Oh no, it's a bear! I will stand my ground. Hi bear, I am a big human. I stood my ground. Bears don't like to chase me because I'm not running. Instead of this, oh no, I am going to climb the tree to get away from the bear. Try this. I will not climb the tree to get away from the bear because bears can climb. If you know that bears are sighted in the area that you're hiking in, take a detour. I am ready to go on a hike. I think I am going to figure out if there are bears on the trail. I checked with the national park and they said there are. So, there is a bear on this trail. They told me it would be here. So instead of going on this trail, I'm going to take the detour because detours are safer. And this brings us to our last rule. The last rule is potentially one of the most important. If you see a mama bear and her cubs, do not, under any circumstances, attempt to interact. Oh no, it looks like there's a female bear and her cub. They're in the wild. This is a wonderful thing. I can take pictures closer. I'm going to go interact with the bear. This sounds so small. Hi, little bear, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh no, mother bear, mother bear. Instead of doing that and potentially putting yourself in harm's way and having to identify as a big human, just say no. Because let's face it, mama bears, they don't want any part of us, so just stay safe out there. Out of all seriousness, after seeing us act all of this out, I'm sure that these are comical images, and us sharing this is more so to find a way for you to remember these rules by thinking of the weird things that we do. But at the same time, these are all rules for a reason, and in all reality, in the past few years, bear attacks have been a bit more common than usual. And because of that, I want everyone who's watching this video to remember these things. So Riley, did you ever think that you were going to be a bear?
That was so much fun.
I had a blast. Rules don't have to be bad.
No, they don't. They can be fun.
You can just find a fun way to remember the rules, because I guarantee we will never forget these rules again. Now for the bear spray. Are you ready?
Bear cub, zoom, zoom. Woo!